I moved overseas for a while, and I had to have a decently powerful computer with me in order to satisfy my video editing needs. What were you thinking? While I'm here, I plan to start filming not one, but 2 brand new series. Crazy. I don't have the money to buy a fancy new Apple and something computer, and I simply could not put my big custom PC into a suitcase. So in this quick hack, I'm going to show you how I shrunk my existing machine down to a bare minimum, so that it could fit into a small factor computer case. For easy transport, but with an improved cooling solution and a dashing custom new look. The idea was to take the newest and fastest components of my PC, namely the CPU and RAM, mount them on another affordable micro ATX motherboard so that I didn't have to disassemble the entire thing, and pair that with one of the most powerful low-profile graphics cards that I could find on the market. If you have been following my videos for a while, and if you haven't, well, I recommend subscribing to my channel. You should know that I love recycling, upcycling, and I'm not afraid of getting my hands dirty. This is why today you'll see how to turn a black, boring business desktop computer into something absolutely glorious, like this. And on top of that, by spending almost nothing. Allow me to demonstrate.
fell from the high wire, safety net's on fire, feels like the first time yet again. We're all anchors inside below the blue. We're all arrows shooting at the moon. We're all anchors inside below the blue. We're all arrows shooting at the moon. Shooting at the moon. Feet on dry land, climbed out the quicksand, feels like the first time yet again. Heaven is in hand, burn the escape plan, feels like the first time yet again. We're all anchors inside below the blue. We're all arrows shooting at the moon. We're all anchors inside below the blue. We're all arrows shooting at the moon. Shooting at the moon.
We are still go with Apollo 11. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
We're all anchors inside below the blue. We're all arrows shooting at the moon. We're all anchors inside below the blue.
I hope you enjoyed this quick hack. I can never stress enough how important it is to not resort to buying something new all the time. If we really want to reduce waste, recycling is just one part of the picture. We need to buy less and reuse more. When searching for alternative solutions, we get to stimulate our thinking and have loads of fun. It's a win-win. I need to say bye for now. I'm off to start filming one of my brand new series. Keep watching this space if you are curious to see what I'm going to do next. Oh, and if you want to know where I am and how I created all of this, well, check my latest Meanwhile episode.